Find a seated position that feels good to your body, maybe grabbing a pillow or block for under your hips. Gently place your hands on your knees and sit a little straighter. Relax your shoulders and release any tension you may be holding onto around your eyes and mouth. Shift your attention to your breath coming in and out of your nose. Take a few rounds of breath on your own, tuning into and feeling the air passing over your top lip. From this relaxed state, you are ready to begin the inward journey of cleansing and aligning your chakras. First, begin by imagining a bright light coming up from the center of the earth and gently moving its way up your spine. Feel connected to the ground and see the light entering upwards through the crown of your head into the sky. With this connection from earth to sky, we will begin by clearing out any old blocks, preventing a smooth flow of your energy through your body. Shift your attention to the base of your spine, your root chakra, representing safety, survival, and stability, formed in the womb and all the way through your first 12 months earthside. Imagine a swirling red light at your sacrum, moving any stagnant energy in a circle, cleansing and dissipating with every turn. If you would like, you can repeat the mantra LAM, internally or out loud, to aid in the cleansing process. As you continue to cleanse this chakra, allow any emotions to come up and transmute them with the red swirling light. Replace with deep feelings of safety and security, imagining your child being held and cared for. Enjoy this moment, feeling grounded and secure in this swirling red light. Begin to shift the red swirling energy up along the base of your spine to just below the belly button, stopping at the sacral chakra. From 6 months to 2 years old, this is a space where your identity, authenticity, sexuality, and feelings were formed. Imagine a swirling ocean of orange light just below the belly button, moving any energy that may feel stuck or heavy. If you would like, you can repeat the mantra VAM, internally or out loud. As you continue to put your attention on this chakra, allow any memories to surface, acknowledging and observing them with no judgment. Find love and compassion for your younger self, and allow this orange light to cleanse and clear away any old or heavy memories. Find a space within your sacral that supports your identity, and imagine standing firm in who you are, yet flexible in your mind and strong and accepting of your emotions. Find strength in this moment, feeling the orange light becoming stronger and stronger as it begins to rise up to the third chakra, just above the belly button, the solar plexus. See the orange light morph into a yellow light, swirling above the belly button. Feel the energy that resides within the center, cultivated and established up to age 4. Feel the place where your power, self-worth, will, and confidence was formed. And imagine all that does not feel in alignment with this power begin to burn away. Silently or out loud, repeat the mantra Ram, helping to purify and cleanse this chakra, creating space for worthiness and creativity to come forth. Revel in this bright, shining yellow light, remembering and feeling your own strength and vitality like a warm, constant fire within your body. With your focus on this yellow light, imagine it making its way up your spine into your sacred heart space, shifting from yellow to a beautiful green. Feel the green light wrap itself around your heart, feeling love, compassion, radiance, and expansion. Give thanks for the lessons and love imprinted upon you from age 4 to 7, forgiving and releasing anything that does not align deep within the recesses of your heart. Use your breath to find the rhythm of your heart, chanting the mantra, Yam, and feel the depth of your love beating in your chest. Stand in awe of the power of surrendering and softening, and imagine your heart opening with every inhale and exhale, expanding out past your aura to all who come in contact with you. As your heart continues to expand, imagine your heart's green light begin to make its way up to your throat, shifting into a beautiful blue light. Capture this image of a beautiful blue light radiating outward with truth, creativity, and self-expression from your throat. This chakra of communication was formed from ages 7 to 12 years, a time where you're learning to share and speak creatively about who you are and what resides within you. Begin to find the gentle hum of the mantra, hum, feeling it deep within your throat, allowing the vibration of the word to clear away any stagnation or blocks, preventing you from speaking and living in your truth. Allow the old beliefs and memories of the past fall away, and imagine your throat open, speaking unapologetically and freely from your heart space. Feel the power of the sound flowing from the center, and capture this memory to carry you forward in times you are afraid to speak. Own your power and get comfortable with your voice. Moving from the throat to your third eye, feel the blue light begin to shift from the throat to the brow area just behind the forehead, turning into a beautiful indigo color. Your third eye fully formed in adolescence, establishing your intuition, imagination, wisdom, and how you make decisions. The essence of light in this chakra helps you live in a place of childlike wonder and wisdom if you allow it. By focusing and repeating the mantra, Om, you will find realignment and remembrance of the lightness of your being, unlocking your innocence and giving yourself permission to trust what is within. Imagine the indigo light getting brighter and brighter, bigger and bigger, and allow yourself to feel the strength in slowing down and going inward. To complete the journey in purification through the 7 chakras, we will end at the crown, acknowledging the higher self and our purpose in this world. Moving from the brow to just above the head, indigo turns into a wild violet color, shifting to a lighter yet deeper color, signifying the spirituality and importance of this chakra, formed in early adulthood. Signifying the formation of cognition and higher consciousness, the crown chakra allows us to connect more deeply to things unseen. As you slowly repeat the mantra, Ah, feel the thought of the word and allow it to absorb into your mind and body. See any remaining blocks in the chakra begin to dissolve, creating space for you to observe and continue to go within. Settle into this inward stillness and breathe deeply. Get comfortable with the unknown and allow yourself to surrender to the nothingness. Finally, shift your attention from above the crown chakra, connecting every chakra with the bright light running from the earth through your spine and into the sky. See the purified light move freely along the spine and feel the connection within as the light gets brighter and brighter. Enjoy this moment of stillness, staying as long as you need to in the remembrance of yourself. When you're ready, slowly come back to your body. Thank you for joining me in this guided chakra meditation. Namaste.